This is Weather Chicago Live, coming to you live from Chicago. And, well, about an hour ago, it was totally dry. Well, conditions have changed slightly. If you want to ever visualize a tornado, well, it looks sort of like this. Yes, that's real wind sound. And, well, it's getting nasty real fast. It'd be fun to see a truck wipe out, wouldn't it? It's, well, you can hear the wind, and there's shit flying through the sky. Damn, I don't know what the fuck that is. Well, it's out of here. But, yeah, see, we're in relative safe zone here, but as soon as I go past this wall, it gets pretty intense. Okay, and it's just beginning. I'm going to attempt to walk across the tornado to get to my building. And these shoes are like, well, wearing ice skates. Holy fucking shit. Damn. Oh my god. This is fucking bad. Oh my gosh. We're in the middle of the tornado. And, yeah. Hope I can make up the ramp here. Like a little guy. Well, the building used to be black a few minutes ago. All right, into the propeller. Wow. You stand across by the bank, and it's the snow. It's like a tornado in the driveway there. I mean, I could barely walk. It was almost like I was almost sliding. And this is just the beginning. It's going to get fun. Have a good one.